Hello friends, welcome back to Minu's kitchen. Today we are going to make delightful and creamy Malpua. This traditional Indian dessert is sure to win your hearts with its rich flavors and creamy goodness. So let's get started. These are the ingredients we will need. 1 bowl of wheat flour, 1 bowl of ghee, 1 bowl of sugar, half a bowl of milk cream, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, water as required, a pinch of soda, almonds for garnish. In a large bowl, add 1 bowl of wheat flour, add 2 spoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds. Add water gradually and stir until you get a smooth batter. For added richness, you could even add half a cup of milk to enhance the flavor. Make sure the batter is smooth and there are no lumps. Now let the batter rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, heat 1 bowl of homemade ghee in a pan over medium heat. In the meantime, let's make the sugar syrup. In a separate vessel, add 1 bowl of sugar and 1 bowl of water and bring it to a boil. Add a pinch of soda to the batter and mix it well. This will help our malpuas to be soft and fluffy. Once the ghee is hot, pour a small ladle of batter into the pan, spreading it gently to form a small pancake. Fry the malpuas until they turn golden brown on both sides. Make sure they cook evenly. Once done, remove it in a plate. Once the malpuas are ready, dip them in hot sugar syrup for about 1 to 2 minutes on both sides, ensuring they are well coated. Now let's place the malpuas in a serving plate. Now add the fresh cream over the malpuas. Garnish it with thinly sliced almonds. Your creamy malpuas are ready to be enjoyed. Serve these delicious creamy malpuas warm or at room temperature. They're perfect for festivals, special occasions, or just to satisfy your sweet tooth. If you have enjoyed watching this recipe, I'm pretty sure you're going to make it for your loved ones. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this recipe. Happy cooking! See you tomorrow.